Understanding different types of insurances and their importance. Title: Understanding different types of insurances and their importance. Introduction, 100 words. Insurance plays a crucial role in today's uncertain world by mitigating financial risks and providing individuals and businesses with a sense of security. With countless different types of insurances available, it can be overwhelming to understand which ones are essential and how they can protect and benefit us. This article aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of the most common types of insurances and their importance in safeguarding our lives, health, property, and businesses. 1. Life insurance, 200 words. Life insurance is designed to provide financial protection to the policyholder's family or beneficiaries in the event of their death. It offers a tax-free lump sum payment, known as the death benefit, that can help replace lost income, cover funeral expenses, and pay off outstanding debts. Life insurance can be categorized into term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, typically 10, 20, or 30 years, and pays out a death benefit only if the policyholder dies within the term. It is generally more affordable and suitable for individuals seeking temporary coverage. Permanent life insurance, on the other hand, provides coverage for the policyholder's entire life. It includes a cash value component that accumulates over time and can be borrowed against. Permanent life insurance is an investment-based policy that offers lifelong protection as well as an opportunity for wealth accumulation. 2. Health insurance, 250 words. Health insurance is arguably one of the most important types of insurance as it helps individuals cover medical expenses and ensures access to quality healthcare services. It protects against high medical costs, provides preventative care, and offers financial assistance for unexpected illnesses or injuries. There are several types of health insurance plans, including employer-sponsored plans, government-sponsored plans, such as Medicare and Medicaid, and individual plans. Health insurance policies vary in terms of coverage, deductibles, co-payments, and network providers. It gives individuals the peace of mind that they can afford necessary medical treatments without facing significant financial burdens. 3. Auto insurance, 200 words. Auto insurance is a legal requirement in most countries and is designed to protect drivers, passengers, and vehicles from accidents or theft. It provides financial coverage for damages or injuries used by the policyholder's vehicle and offers peace of mind on the road. Auto insurance policies typically include liability coverage, which pays for damages or injuries to others in an accident caused by the policyholder. Additionally, comprehensive and collision cover can be added to protect against theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and damages to one's own vehicle. The importance of auto insurance lies in its ability to mitigate the financial consequences of accidents, injuries, or property damage. It protects individuals from potential lawsuits and ensures their vehicle can be repaired or replaced when necessary. Moreover, auto insurance also offers personal injury protection, which covers medical expenses and lost wages in case of an accident. 4. Property insurance, 250 words. Property insurance encompasses various types of insurance policies that protect individuals, families, and businesses against financial losses caused by damage to their property. It includes homeowners insurance, renters insurance, and commercial property insurance. Homeowners insurance is essential for homeowners as it covers both the structure of their home and personal belongings. It safeguards against perils such as fire, theft, storms, and liability claims. If someone is injured on the property, renters insurance on the other hand, protects tenants' personal belongings and provides liability coverage. Property insurance is of paramount importance as it ensures individuals and businesses can recover financially from unexpected events or disasters. It offers peace of mind, reduces financial burdens, and provides necessary funds to repair or replace damaged property. 5. Disability insurance, 200 words. Disability insurance is designed to provide income protection in the event an individual becomes disabled and is unable to work. It offers financial support by replacing a portion of lost income, allowing individuals to maintain their quality of life and meet their financial obligations. There are two main types of disability insurance: short-term disability insurance and long-term disability insurance. Short-term disability insurance typically covers a portion of lost income for a specified period, usually up to 6 months. Long-term disability insurance, on the other hand, provides coverage for an extended period, often until retirement age. Disability insurance is crucial because disabilities can occur unexpectedly and can have a significant impact on an individual's ability to earn income. Without disability insurance, individuals may struggle to make ends meet and maintain their previous standard of living. It provides a safety net and ensures financial stability during times of disability. 6. Liability insurance, 250 words. Liability insurance protects individuals and businesses against claims of negligence, accidents, or injuries that occur on their property or as a result of their actions. It covers legal expenses, say, settlements, and judgments that arise from such claims. There are different types of liability insurance, including general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, and product liability insurance. General liability insurance provides broad coverage for accidents, injuries, and property damage that occur on business premises. Professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions insurance, protects professionals, for example, doctors, lawyers, architects, against claims of negligence or mistakes in their work. Product liability insurance provides coverage for damages or injuries caused by a product that a business manufactures or sells. Liability insurance is essential as it shields individuals and businesses from potentially devastating financial loss in the event of a lawsuit. Legal expenses and settlements can be costly, and without liability insurance, individuals and businesses may be unable to pay for these expenses out of pocket. It offers protection and peace of mind, enabling individuals and businesses to operate without the fear of significant financial repercussions. 7. Travel insurance, 250 words. Travel insurance is designed to protect individuals when they are traveling domestically or internationally. It covers a wide range of potential risks and offers financial protection against unforeseen events that can disrupt travel plans. Travel insurance typically includes coverage for trip cancellation or interruption, medical expenses, emergency medical evacuation, baggage loss or delay, and travel delays. It provides peace of mind and ensures that travelers are financially protected in case of travel mishaps or emergencies. The importance of travel insurance lies in its ability to provide assistance and financial protection when unexpected events occur during travel. For example, if a trip needs to be canceled due to illness or a natural disaster, travel insurance can reimburse the non-refundable expenses. In the event of a medical emergency abroad, travel insurance can cover the cost of medical treatment and evacuation. It also offers coverage for lost or stolen belongings, ensuring travelers are not left financially burdened. 8. Pet insurance, 200 words. Pet insurance is a type of insurance that covers veterinary costs for pets, such as dogs and cats. It provides financial assistance in paying for medical treatments, surgeries, medications, and privé.